Hello, students! Time management is an important skill to help you be the best student you can be.
We'll talk about why this is important and give you tips on how to manage your time wisely.
So, what exactly is time management and why is it so important?
Well, you see, time management is the ability to organize and prioritize your tasks that would efficiently increase your productivity and maximize the use of your time.
Time management is important because it helps you stay on top of your lectures and assignments, and it ensures that you don't miss any of your class deadlines.
What can I do then to help with my time management skills?
Tip number 1. You should start out by first defining and prioritizing your tasks. You can do this by writing out all of your tasks and their respective deadlines, then organizing them from low to high priority.
Tip number 2. Break down your tasks into smaller, more doable chunks. Take a look at your deadlines and work backwards to see how you can divide up your tasks per day or per week.
Tip number 3. Create a checklist. Making a checklist every day or every week helps you keep on track of your work. It's also very satisfying to cross off tasks from your checklist.
Tip number 4. Do your best to eliminate distractions. You can start by putting your phone away when you're studying. You can also find a space that will be your dedicated spot for your study grind time.
These are super helpful tips. Are there any more?
There are more. Number 5. Although we might want to get 2 or more things done all at once, just working on one thing at a time lets us dive deeper and do a better job at each task. Quality over quantity, you know?
Tip number 6. You know those course outlines your professors give you at the beginning of a new semester? Well, due dates about assignments, essays, midterms, and final exams can be found there. Use those to your advantage so you don't miss anything.
Last is tip number 7. Learn when to say no. Extra shifts at work, extracurriculars, and hanging with friends are awesome, but sometimes we do have to reflect back on our priorities to remain on track and be successful.
And don't forget, time management is a skill. Applying these simple yet effective tips is a path to honing a transferable skill that will help you in your future endeavors.